Good evening, everybody. All right, it's evening now. We had a beautiful trades again today. This is another short one, or another small one, a small ticker that made the beautiful move. All right, another one. So for all of you who wants to trade small tickers, this is your trade, right? So this is the pre-market starting. We have this ticker in pre-market breaking over resistance, making a little bit of a push here. So it went from breaking over that resistance 225 all the way to 350, right? Give us a little bit of a pullback, flag break, and then push over that resistance for another move up. Now look at this. All right, so we are continuing. Look at this. Now we are in the market open, all right? This is the market open right here. So we got a little bit, here's the market open, this line here. So we got a little bit of a push up to that resistance, gave us a pullback, flag break, push over that resistance, coming up to the next one, third one, giving us a little bit of a pullback, holding support and pushing again. All right, now it's $6. All right, look at this. 750 hitting the next resistance, giving us a pullback, holding support, breaking the flag, breaking the 750, coming up to 1050. All right, that's where we are right now. All right, so there's plenty of opportunities to get into a trade, plenty of opportunities for everybody who wants to trade anything small ticker that doesn't cost a lot. All right, so let's say you bought this one at 50 shares. Just let's say 50 shares, right? 50 shares all the way up would have made you $400 and would have cost you $128. Just 50 shares. $128. That's it. And if you have taken, let's say, 500 shares, would have cost you 1,280 shares. Up to here, would you have made $2,465, and all the way up there, you would have made, well, almost 4,000 on 500 shares costing 1,280. That's just one of them, all right? Just one of the small tickers. But we also had beautiful other short trades, right? On the bigger side, like Tesla, all right? This one, oops, that's not Tesla. Tesla, all right? Look at this short on Tesla, right? How it broke under your support trend line here and all the way down on Tesla. Beautiful short. Otherwise, Nvidia, another one that broke under, bye bye. Oracle, ORCL, look at this, right? Broke. Here is your break all the way up here at the 239, and now you at 224, right? And you can go on and on and on. It's all about watching and looking for the trades. Which one is the one that you want to prefer to trade? All right, guys. Have a great evening and a great weekend. I'm out.